Hi guys, this is a video you've been waiting for, you've been asking for. I will unveil all the accessories are delivered with the new Fisker Ocean. So stay tuned, I'm Patrick, I will be your host for today and welcome to Gentleman's World. Alright guys, let's open the trunk and see what Fisker is delivering with his car. Come a little bit closer guys, because now we have to have a deep look into the first section of the trunk, and we see already here we get with the car an emergency package. It could be in your region maybe different, but here in Germany we got emergency package. So wrap this out. So you see you get everything in an unlikely event of an emergency. You have vests, you know, like where you can see each other. You have everything which you need to take if you're bleeding or stuff like that. Everything is inside. The second thing you find in that section is the charging cable. It can be in the original that it's maybe different, yeah. I never took it out of his, you know, like wrapping, yeah. So as you can see, here's the charging cable. It's nicely covered, by the way, with a holding system stripes. And what is also interesting, it's even labeled with Fisker. That's kind of cool, I have to say. That's really cool. That's delivered with the car as well. All what you get even more, yeah. So let's open up the second section of the trunk, yeah. So what you have here is, and we wrap, we pack it out, yeah. You can see we have a pumping station in the unlikely event if you have a flat tire or something like that, that you can charge or not charge, yeah, that you compress your tires again. And that looks really cool. It's from behind. You see, for example, all this stuff which you can plug in then to the sockets in your Fisker as well. Charge your tires and everything is cool. What else do we got? So, what we also have here, beside the compressed air, we have here also, I never wrapped this up again. First time I opened this. That's a liquid which you can get and also pump up your tires. That's the gel you can put in. Then you see, for example, it's allow you just to go max up to 80 kilometers, which is approximately 50 miles, yeah, or you go 30 miles. 50 miles is sitting already on it. Cool. So as you can see, this is also a gel which you get it for your tires in an unlikely event are they flat. What else do you get? And I think a lot of you guys been very curious about. And I will wrap this out. This is when you like to take energy out of your car into your home. So you can see again nicely labeled with the Fisker. I turn it around, then you get a 360 view of it. Yeah, I show you. This is the connector or the socket where you can plug in then something to your home or anything which takes a little bit more supply. And this is where you put it into the car. Let's see how this looks like in the car. Maybe you like to follow me quickly and we try to plug that into the car. Here you go. Put it in and there you go. Pretty amazing, pretty cool. This is what you can use to also take energy out of the car back to your home. How cool is that? All right, and last but not least, what you're getting with your Fisker, of course, I showed this already. This is the hook. Yeah, here you see the hook. This is what I showed in another video of mine. If you need to get pulled away or towed away, yeah, there you can adjust in the front and the back as I showed in another video. This is also what you're getting with your Fisker. So these are the accessories I like to show you, unveiled for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for all your support. If you like to enjoy another video of mine, otherwise we see each other next time. Have an absolutely great day. Cheers, bye bye. All right, the second thing which we can find here, and we never opened it up, it's the charging cable. Of course, it can be in your area differ. As you can see, it's really the first time I'm wrapping this off, yeah. Let me wrap it Scheiße. Mann, oh Mann, oh Mann. Der brauchst nicht mehr aufnehmen jetzt, was?